One of my favorite tools for creating anything on my websites is a tool called Canva, which I'm sure some of you have heard. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a cover picture for any Mash product. The main thing I'm going to show you is the dimensions that you'll need to create the best or the most optimal front cover, and I'm going to show you two different designs, two really simple designs that you can do for any Mash product. One with a photo background and then one with a coloured background with a sort of a clip art picture. The great thing about Canva is that it has a lot of free graphics which you can use for your cover pictures. So we're going to straight away create a design and use custom dimensions. Basically on Mash you need a square picture, so I'm going to go with 600 by 600 pixels, but you can use 300 by 300, but usually 600 by 600 is a good one to go with. So we'll see our blank slate here, and what we're going to do straight away is I'm going to make a farm vocabulary pack, and what I'm going to do is go into elements and I'm going to search for some chicks because they're probably the cutest thing on a farm. And what we'll do is we'll look for photographs and we'll look for free ones, and I think this guy here looks very nice. And what we'll do, we drag him onto our canvas, and what I'm going to do is drag it, and I have my lovely background image there. Simple as that. The next stage is just to create the text, and you can choose different size headings. Here's mine. I'm going to choose farm vocabulary pack. I want it not to be centered. In this case, I want the whole thing to be on the right hand side. I want it a bit bigger, so we'll go to about 48 size, and I'm going to make the text white. You'll see here I have brand colors here, so Mash's brand colors are these 5, so we always try to use those. I'll see what the yellow looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty nice and great. So farm vocabulary pack, and the last thing I want really is my logo, and all my logos should be in here. And let me see if I can find my logo. There they are, looking at me. And I have a few logos for the different websites, and I'm going to go for a white one here and leave that here. And basically what I've got there very simply is a nice cover photo that I can use for any of my products. Basically download it, I click on download, and there is my front cover done in 2 minutes flat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change that now to a different to a background picture with a different color. You may have noticed that I had a palette in the background, so what I go to is background, a solid color, and as I said I have my 5 colors that I like to use on Mash. So I'm going to use an orange color here. I'm going to stick with my farm vocabulary pack, so basically what I have there now is my Mash.ie farm vocabulary pack, and what I can do really now is add a piece of Clipart. So I go to my elements, we'll go to graphics, I'll still stick with chicks, and I am going to pick this little cute character here, and here he is, nice and simple. Now what I can do if I want is I can put in shapes just to make it look more attractive. These are some of the shapes that you could use. I'll just maybe stick in one of these guys here in the background just for a little bit of colour, and I'll change its colour to another Mash colour just to give it something, a little bit of slip, so it just gives it a little bit of extra colour. And again, that's simple enough. That is our front cover for any product. Hope those two things help you. I mean, you can do much more with Canva, but these are two simple ideas for your front cover page for any product that you like. Thanks very much for listening.